In this video, you're going to see a firsthand example of how riding a wave in e-commerce booming trend can create a massive business very, very fast or completely transform an existing business. And as you see on my screen right now, you're seeing a store called Beauty of Joseon. And what this brand does is they sell Korean skincare. Now, this brand, you will probably find it familiar if you browse TikTok at all. But if not, then it's possible you've never heard of it at all. Either way, though, they are completely blowing up. As you see, their monthly search traffic just on their store is over 800,000 monthly visitors. And what's crazy is that this brand, well, first of all, I've never heard of it. And keep in mind, I have an agency in the e-commerce space. I do a lot of stuff in the e-commerce space. I work with 8 and even 9-figure brands. So I'm always doing a ton of research and learning. And yet I never heard of this brand until this year. And how I heard about it is through TikTok Shop. So this brand has been blowing up massively on TikTok Shop. And as you see in the last 7 days, they have multiple products that are, selling well over $70,000. This one, just in the last 7 days, if we look at 30 days, we can see even crazier numbers, as you see. Now, what's weird is that some of these are actually being sold by resellers, or maybe not resellers, but the shop itself is iHerb, which is, like a general, I guess you could consider them a general niche store for wellness, iHerb.com. I'm pretty sure that's the brand. And yeah, they sell all kinds of products. 20 million monthly visitors is kind of crazy for a brand like this. And it's cool for me to see marketplaces like this because it just reminds me that even though Amazon is massive, there's still other marketplaces where people are shopping. And as you see, those guys are carrying this product in their TikTok shop, which is just super interesting. First of all, I haven't really seen many brands do that. Many marketplaces do this on TikTok shop. So iHerb is the first, but I specifically want to focus on this brand because the trend that they're riding is the Korean skincare trend, which actually started booming in 2022 and well into 2023. And then of course, TikTok just really caught this wave really well. And it's just completely blowing up. It's one of the craziest trends out there right now in terms of momentum. And it's not a coincidence that they started going viral here in May. Now, I'm sure this trend would have continued to rise, but maybe not at this exponential level that we're seeing here. And that's kind of the explosiveness that you can see from TikTok Shop. Now, that's one of the things that I've been consulting with a lot of brands on lately is specifically TikTok Shop. Because we've seen a lot of success with TikTok Shop. Even at the 9-figure brand level, we've reached multiple 100K days with TikTok Shop, which is pretty insane to say. And the crazy part, the part that I love most about it and why I think most brands should start looking into TikTok Shop is the effect that it has on the rest of the business. So if we actually take a look at some of their ads too, funny enough, they're not running their TikToks as ads. Maybe there's some sort of issue that they run into to do that, but they should be doing that. In my opinion, they should totally be running more of their viral content as ads on Facebook ads. But they're not doing that. I'm sorry about the baby. If you hear the baby in the background, I know she's kind of loud. She's going down for a nap right now. But yeah, let's go look at the store a little bit more though. I want to find their best sellers and see if it's congruent with the best sellers on TikTok. It is. So this is their best seller. It's a sunscreen. It's a Rice Plus probiotic sunscreen. I actually bought this myself and tested it. And what's crazy is that, yeah, it's an $18 product, perfect for TikTok. But on TikTok, you don't need just low average order value products. I've seen many things work. One of the clients that we had a $120 supplement, and we scaled it to 20K plus per day. So it's definitely possible to sell all kinds of things on TikTok Shop. But of course, this is their main seller. It makes sense. Now, their product page is extremely simple, which is it just goes to show how the product is always the most important thing. And it is a beautifully laid out product page, but it's really not that complicated. And, it's just beautifully done. It does show a lot of really great results, and they do have some awesome reviews. People actually love this product a lot, which is a very good thing to focus on. I wish I could invest in this business, honestly, because everything they're doing is just so clean and beautiful and simple. And that's the stuff that I love to see. They've actually done over 200 million in 2023. Funny enough, I'm sure they'll continue to grow that. So massive brand and in a very competitive niche. And there's so many things that we can point out here that are interesting, such as, like I said, the fact that on TikTok Shop specifically, it's iHerb that has been carrying them, not the brand itself. But still, it's just cool to see the effect that it has on everything else, right? How it actually blows up the rest of the business as well. And we can see just how the search traffic is on Google is affected by TikTok trends and how it's all correlated. It's no surprise that Amazon is looking to partner with TikTok now. They see the power of it. They see how much influence TikTok has on the culture and on search traffic, for example. But yeah, there's just a lot of really cool things that we can learn from this brand. One thing is capitalizing on a massive trend. Two is, of course, utilizing TikTok Shop as much as possible. And three, just having really amazing products that speak for themselves. This is like extremely minimally branded, right? It's not really telling you all the benefits, it's going to change your life or whatever. It's just a great product, and people love a great product, and especially when they see others talking about it on TikTok Shop. So that's about it for this video. I hope that you got some value from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.